Yo, what's good, internet? Okay, I've been in the crypto mining world for years at this point, like genuinely years. And that means I'm always out here poking around new platforms, new tools, new projects, just, trying to separate the actual opportunities from the junk. And, okay, here's the thing. The scene right now is, it's messy, guys. Like whether you're punching something into Google, watching YouTube, lurking on Reddit, so much of what gets pushed at you is just, completely cooked, like the majority of it. So you really got to keep your guard up out there. Okay, so I've been putting this cloud mining app called solidhash through its paces for the last few months, and today I'm just going to show you everything, what cloud mining actually is, how the whole thing runs. So let's start.
Okay, so first thing here, I'm hitting start mining now right over here. Good. Now it's pulling up the coin selection screen. I'm going with Ethereum, though worth mentioning this platform's got pretty much everything covered. Bitcoin, Solana, BNB, Ripple, Cardano, Tron, all of them. Okay, so clicking continue with ETH here. Nice. So now I need my wallet address in here. Let me just flip over to Trust Wallet for a sec. Okay, grabbing that and jumping back, dropping it in right here. Perfect. Okay, so next step, we've got these two settings, hash rate power and mining speed mode. So think of it like this. These basically dial in how much computing muscle gets thrown at your session and the speed it runs at. And naturally, the trade-off is push them higher, you're moving faster, but the platform fees tick up alongside it. So, just find your sweet spot. Now I'm filling in the mining target right here, so this lays out your crypto goal, the dollar value attached to it, and roughly when you'd expect to hit it. Okay, good, everything's lined up. Smashing start mining, and nice. Okay, we're running. So let's just hang tight a few minutes and watch it go.
And awesome, I have successfully mined my crypto, so now ready to transfer it to my wallet. But key thing here, the platform needs the infrastructure fee covered before they'll process any withdrawal. It's all itemized right here. So here's the power consumption, here are the computing clusters that handle the job, plus the pool fee and network transaction costs. And super important, the baseline infrastructure fee for accessing their resources is always $90 minimum, so definitely account for that. Okay, I'm copying this payment address. Good, clicking I've sent the payment, and just waiting for the system to verify everything. So, awesome, funds sent to my wallet, so now I'm just waiting to reach my balance. Okay, so here's some stuff I've actually learned the hard way over the years, like real practical things that would have saved me a lot of grief if someone had just told me earlier. So, first thing, always check if the platform has a verifiable blockchain address. Like, if they can't point you to actual on-chain activity, actual transaction history you can look up yourself on a block explorer, that's a massive red flag right there. Real mining operations leave a trail, And one more thing, if the platform has no physical address, no registered company info, no verifiable team behind it, that's just, a ghost operation. Legit platforms have paper trails, so always look for that stuff before you commit anything. Take your time with it, seriously. Okay, so if you want to poke around solidhash yourself, links pinned in the comments and sitting in the description. And if you've got your own cloud mining stories, whether it worked out or went sideways, drop them below. Peace out.